Alright, guess what came, let's see, here. Guess what came on time this month? Right? I will be using my, new little Harbor Freight cheapo depot thing to open it. Because I'm not trying to do this cup. And it opens up super good. Look at, can I get this back in here? Maybe it costs like 90 cents if you give it a crap. Yeah. Okay. First, this is the Grim Workshop. Subscription for September 2025. First thing, valued at $9.50, is the Spring Snare Trap Dog Tag. This could actually help because, yeah. Yeah. Well, that's right, $9.50. And it is useful. Even if it's for prepping, even if it's for using, or even with survival kit. Still perfect. Next is the Arrow survival cord. And I'm happy. Wait, did I get the Arrow survival cord before? I have no idea. But that's valued at $19.95. This is actually going into a kit either way. Because I do have like slingshot, sling bow. So yeah, this is how they look. Cool. I ain't mad, because arrows are a good thing to have in a survival situation. You know? Or if you do know how to snare and you're like, oh god, I lost all 4 snares. Bam, you have arrows to go with it. That's a good thing. Next, right at $185, the backup knot tip cord. Actually, that's easy to do. It's on a purple background, so yeah. Next is a wood plank cooking cord, which I believe I did have, but they have it. Oh, by the way, now they're pretty much sending them like this, like plank cords, which I don't mind. Whew. I tell you, I'm happy. I'm happy with this description today. I am still happy with the subscription. This is my OG subscription too. Also, Golden Pocket Box, they haven't sent me any email at all. So I'll probably end up canceling it when the box comes. If it comes. Anyway. The Post Box Survival, the Post Wasteland, God bless, and peace. I'm one happy survivalist papa.